friends, Miss Andrew here. All right, so all week we've been talking about different shapes. So let's look at all the shapes we've learned this week. This one was called a square. Good job. This is a blue square. Squares are shapes that have four sides that their length is the same. Some examples of squares can be this right here, like the top of a cardboard box. Cardboard boxes can be shaped in this shape of a square. Christmas presents can be shaped like squares. Post-it notes can be shaped like squares. And ice cubes can have the shape of a square. Then we talked about the circle who goes round and round and round and round and round and never stops. This is a blue circle. Some things in our world that might be circular are things like wheels on our parents' cars. Balls can be shaped in like a circle. Basketballs, tennis balls, soccer balls are all circular. And then pizza, yummy, yummy pizza can have the shape of a circle. Different flowers are sometimes shaped like circles. And then things like the sun and the moon can have a circle shape. Then yesterday we talked about a rectangle, which kind of looks like a square, but it has two longer sides. So it has two very long sides and then two short sides. This is a rectangle. So some things that can be in the shape of a rectangle are your tablet that you're working on right now, your computer screen, your TV. A chalkboard can be in the shape of a rectangle. Our clear touches at school, like our smart boards, can be in the shape of a rectangle. Rugs can be in the shape of a rectangle. And then doors, our doors to our house and our doors to our bedroom are shaped in the shape of a rectangle. This next one is called a triangle. A triangle. Can you make a triangle with your hands? Look at this. I see something that's familiar. This right here is a slant line. We're going to learn how to write those soon. Some of us already have. And so a triangle is a shape that has a pointy top and it has three sides like this. Three sides. All right, let's look at some things that can be shaped like a triangle. All right, a piece of pizza, a slice of pizza can be shaped like a triangle. An arrow can have a triangle top. A tent is something that's not on here, but like a tent that you sleep in outside, that can have a triangle top. A party hat, like if you go to a birthday party, can have a triangle top. And a Christmas tree is shaped like a triangle. All right, sweet friends, I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Look for triangles.